Most embarrassing moment, I can't tell you guys. Maybe I'll tell you in a story time because it is like super embarrassing. like so In today's video, I'm going to do a get to know me tag because I'm new to YouTube and I want, you guys to know me a little bit more, feel like we're connected. So let's get started. So the first question is, what is my name? My name is Sedacia. Where am I from? I am from Atlanta, Georgia, but currently I live in Charlotte. Do I have any kids? Yes, I have one. Favorite place in the world? Paris is my favorite place in the world. I absolutely love Paris. My dog name is Paris. My house is Paris. I just love it. What are my favorite movies? I'm obsessed with Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, and Fifth Element. I love sci-fi movies, so those are like my top three. You can always catch me watching Harry Potter. For fun, I love to go in Sephora and look at all the makeup, and also I love volunteering and helping people that are less fortunate than I am. That always brings me a lot of joy. Last place I traveled was back home to Atlanta for Christmas. Coke or Pepsi? Everyone who knows me knows that I absolutely love a can Coke. What is my favorite food right now? I don't really know. I don't really have a favorite food. I'm actually in the process of trying to lose weight, so vegetables and fruit. My favorite Christmas gift, I got a brand new Mac laptop. How long have I been doing makeup? I've been doing makeup for about 6 years, and like truly professionally I've been doing it for about 3. For color, I love anything pink and glitter sparkly. I know that's so cliche because I'm a girl, but I don't care. That's just what I like. I'm not gonna change who I am. So yep, that's the colors I like. And actually I like wearing black though, so my favorite music genre is actually anything except for country. Like I have to get him on here, guys. My fiance loves country. He sings country. It's so funny. He even has an album coming out called Beers on the Porch. I promise you. It's so funny. But I cannot stand country. I like his country though. But yeah, I love everything hip hop, rap, pop, alternative. The most embarrassing moment, I can't tell you guys. Maybe I'll tell you in a story time because it is like super embarrassing. Like so unladylike. So maybe another time. Am I married, single, or engaged? I am engaged. My fiance name is Fred, my teddy bear. What inspires me? What inspires me is just the fact that I love motivating people, empowering people, and making people feel good. So that always inspires me to like be the best version of me and the best I could be. And also my son, literally every time he wakes up and I look at him, I'm like, I'm so inspired to just be great and better than I was yesterday. So that's the things that inspires me. What are your biggest fears? Oh my goodness, one of my biggest fears is failure. The second one is spiders, bugs. It's any little creepy crawler I'm terrified of. Like literally it could be the tiniest bug and I will call my fiance and like screaming his name to come kill like an ant. Like I cannot stand creepy crawlers is what I call them. What month am I born in? March. I'm a Pisces because we're the best. Favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is Fleming's. I love it. It's a month I have to go to Fleming's because I just love that place. Am I high maintenance? Let's see, sometimes. I used to be really high maintenance, but now that I'm a mommy, I'm not as high maintenance as I used to be. Are you a good cook? Yes, I love to cook. And oh my gosh, guys, I just got an Instapot and I'm obsessed. Like I literally want to cook every meal in that Instapot. It has changed my life for 2019. I like throw things in there. My meal's done 20 minutes. I'm less stressed. If you don't have an Instapot, I promise you need to invest in one. Do you prefer Titanic or The Notebook? The Notebook, but I will cry. Like I am a sucker for romantic movies, which is why I don't like watching them because I am guaranteed to cry. Do you have any tattoos? I don't have any tattoos, guys. Like, it's crazy. Do you believe at love at first sight? Yes, I do. I believe at love at first sight with my son, my fiance, God. Like, who was my first celebrity crush? Trey Songz. Who's my celebrity crush now? Michael B. Jordan. I love Michael B. Jordan. Have you ever broken a bone? Nope, I've never broken a bone. Please, knock on wood. I pray that I never break a bone. What is under my bed? Probably all of my son's toys, Legos, makeup brushes, because he takes my brushes. That's probably what's under my bed right now. Where do I buy my jeans right now? Because I still have a mommy poochie. Is what I call it. I call it a poochie. I buy my jeans from American Eagle because they have super high waist, so I can kind of tuck that little mommy pooch in there that I'm working on getting rid of. But yeah, so I buy my jeans from American Eagle. As of now, the last book I read was Think and Grow Rich for Women. I read a little bit of Think and Grow Rich, the original one, but I absolutely recommend every female to read Think and Grow Rich for Women. What was the last thing I bought? Food, snacks for my son. What was my first job? My first job was this store called Justice for Girls, and I absolutely loved it. It was a retail, and I loved styling the little girls, and like they would have little parties and stuff, and I was like 16 years old. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a pet. I have two dogs. One is in Atlanta and one's here. The one in Atlanta is a Maltipoo. Her name is Paris, and the one here is a pit bull, and her name's Mocha. Really quick, iOS or Android? iOS all day. I cannot stand Android. Meat or fish? Meat. Monopoly or chess? Monopoly. Nike or Adidas? Nike. Stripes or polka dots? I don't know. I like both. Stripes or polka dots? Stripes. Summer or winter? Oh my gosh, neither. Texting or phone calls? Texting. You have to text me. Do not, if you call me, I'm not answering the phone. So the best way to get in touch with me is texting. Vanilla or chocolate? Chocolate all day, especially Godiva. No. Oh my gosh, guys, this was so much fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and put any questions down below, any other questions that you have. I will do a part 2, like a makeup version, so stay tuned to that. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.